Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Google Home speaker going offline, reconnect and stay connected. Fix 1. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your internet connection is working by testing another device. Then ensure the speaker is connected to your main 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi network and not a guest network. Now move the speaker closer to your router if the signal is weak. Fix 2. Restart the speaker and router. Unplug the Google Home speaker from power, then restart your Wi-Fi router and wait until it's fully online. Then plug the speaker back in and allow it a few minutes to reconnect. Fix 3. Make sure your phone is on the same network. Connect your phone or tablet to the same Wi-Fi network as the speaker. Then open the Google Home app and check if the device appears online. Fix 4. Update the Google Home app. Install the latest version of the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play. Then close and reopen the app after updating. Fix 5. Check router settings. Disable AP isolation or client isolation. Avoid connecting the speaker to a guest network and if available, reserve a dedicated IP address for the speaker. Fix 6. Forget and set up the speaker again. If the device still shows offline, open the Google Home app and remove the speaker. Then factory reset the speaker using its reset button. Then add it back to your home and reconnect it to the Wi-Fi. Fix 7. Contact Google support. If none of the previous fixes work, factory reset the speaker one final time and try setting it up on a different Wi-Fi network. And if it still won't stay online, contact Google Nest support for additional troubleshooting or warranty assistance. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.